Dad's car is getting towed because my dad's car is very old. Millie.
Oh, Millie, you're famous.
Yeah. Hopefully this gets lots of views.
Yeah.
So my mom's car got towed because something was leaking underneath her car, and it got fixed. And now my dad's car is getting very old, so it's getting problems. So it's getting towed. I better give it back. Hey, wait! I need to give your phone. I need to. Okay. Bye. I'll see you back when it's fixed.
There goes your car.
Yeah. Now my mom's car is being driven by my dad, and my dad's car is getting towed.
Yep.
Just like my mom's car.
Yep.
Billy?
Come on, we'll walk home. Come on, go. Let's walk home. Really nice out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have you been for some bike ride or anything? Because it's been so nice out.
I have been, but it's been going to school.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah. Where are you going? I'm gonna tell my viewers to, hit the like button and subscribe.
Right.
Viewers, hit the like button and subscribe to repair my dad's car, please. My dad would be really sad if he lost his car. His car has been very old, and if it doesn't work anymore, then we'll then he won't be able to drive it, and that would be very sad. So please like and subscribe to repair my dad's car, please. We need the likes and the subscribers. Subscribers. I meant subscribers, not subscribers. Just like subscribe to repair my dad's car. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.